Hello, this is Thomas Benner, and I've got a cool trick for you in Adobe Animate. So here I am in Adobe Animate CC, and what I've got open is a animated movie poster that we made years ago in one of my Flash classes. This was built in ActionScript 3, and back in the day it was awesome. We could put this on the web and people could look at it with a web browser. If they had the Flash Player plugin, they'd be able to see this animated movie poster play. These days, however, web browsers no longer support the Flash Player plugin as they did in the past. Safari, for example, Apple's Safari browser doesn't support it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and scrub through this timeline so you can see a little bit of the animation. See the characters move in. Here come the cars. And then in 3D, the title spins into view. And there's the end of my animation. Now, again, this is an ActionScript 3 project. And I want to put this into the new HTML5 JavaScript, so no Flash Player plugin is required. So what do? Do I throw this project away, start from scratch, and rebuild everything from my assets? Thankfully, no. There's an easier method. So let me show that to you. I'm going to come up here to the Commands menu, and I'm going to choose this wonderful command, Convert to Other Document Formats. And in this dialog window, the document type converter, we have two choices. I can convert it to an HTML5 canvas or WebGL preview. I'm going to leave it at the default HTML5 canvas. This is going to produce a web animation that will be in HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. Click OK. And I have a new document. Notice that my old ActionScript document is still there. It hasn't been damaged or changed. It's still there if I want to play with it in the future. But I have this new document. It's called double-identity_canvas.fla. And then after the title, it's got the word canvas in parentheses. Let's double click the hand tool so we can see the entire stage. Look at our timeline. Timeline looks pretty much the same. And if I scrub through it, you can see there's my animation. There's my characters coming into view. There are the cars. And there's the title of the movie. Unfortunately, the 3D effect that we have in ActionScript is not supported in HTML5, so that special effect is left out, but the rest of it's there. So let's go ahead and test this. I'll come up to the control menu. Notice that I have it set to test movie in browser, and I'll choose the test command. And a web browser opens. Here comes Safari. And there's my animation playing in the web browser. And I hope Captivate is picking this up from the web browser. There you go. So that's my tip for today. Convert your old ActionScript 3 projects into HTML5 by using this very cool command that's built into Animate CC. A note to coders, if you have ActionScript code in your ActionScript 3 file, when you do the conversion, the code will be commented out and there'll be space in the Actions panel for you to put in your JavaScript code. There are even JavaScript code snippets that are pre-written for you that you can use if you so decide. So that's it. Animate CC converts your ActionScript 3 files into HTML5.